kanina, napag-usapan namin na best run yun. So, win or lose, as in fulfilling pa rin siya sa puso. Kasi alam namin na buwas namin lahat yun. Like, yun yung best run talaga. And yung, nung nag-a-announce na ng winners, sinasabi ko sa team na chin up. Kasi baka mamaya mag-expect and then, parang we're expecting for the worst na lang. So, ayun, parang mas inabsorb ko yung sinasabi ni coach na tumindik ka, na kahit anong mangyari, accept mo yung results. Kasi, yun eh. It was very nerve-wracking. I feel like I'm one of the more emotional members of the team. If there's anyone that Ira had to chin up, it was me. Of course, our goal coming into this was give justice to the routine and to defend the championship. But then, if it wasn't meant for us, coach always reminded us that if it's not meant for us, then it won't be given to us. If it is, then it will. So, yeah, we're just very grateful that we were actually able to defend. And this is also our fifth championship title in street dance. So, I think we're hoping to add more to that in the succeeding batches.
So for me naman, ako rin kasi isa sa mga kailangan i-chin up ni Ira kanina. Parang third place pa lang yung third place pa lang yung ina-announce. Parang umiiyak na ako doon. Galing din kasi kami ng previous competition last month. March. So parang after Holy Week pa kami nakapag-start talaga for UAP. And yung buong 3 weeks talaga na yun, to prepare for a piece para i-perform sa UAAP. Sobrang hirap nun for us. As in, although physically ready kami, hindi na matatanggihan kasi madali lang for us na magpalakas, na maging basically equip yung katawan namin for the piece. Pero all throughout, mental battle talaga eh. Sobrang sarap na sa puso na nakuha namin yung tiwala ng coaches ulit. Kasi yun, nilaban namin from the coaches, nilaban namin para mapakita namin sa buong UP community. Kasi inali din namin to sa kanila. Yung UP, sobrang ready magpakamatay para mag-cheer. Parang sobrang grabe yung support nila for us. So parang kung paano kami lumaban behind the scenes, ganun yung level ng paglaban nila during that time. Kaya sobrang thankful kami sa buong UP community for supporting us. So parang last year pa lang nag-iisip na sila, nagko-conceptualize na sila kung ano yung pinaka-relatable, kung ano yung pinaka-papatok sa, kumbaga sa masa, ganun. Kasi parang yun din isa sa mga factor kung bakit kami nanalo last year, kung ba't nag-work yung magic. Kasi parang gusto din ng tao eh. Parang for everyone siya.
Yeah, I just want to point out also the timeliness of us doing this routine because the coaches always reminded us that the country really needs heroes right now. The country is very in need of heroes right now. And I think it brings a sense of warmth to the audiences and to the UP community that, you know, we bring together a routine that showcases heroes of our own that fight for the needs of our own as well. So,
Sobrang naging superhero ko talaga yung buong team, including yung mga naging captains ng team namin. Kasi aside sa natututo ko from the members, sobrang laking tulong talaga ng mga naging captains ng UP Street.
Personally, yung superhero namin is si God. As in like, nawawala na kami ng pag-asa, yung coaches nag-give up na, pati yung team, pati yung captains or everyone nawawala na ng pag-asa. Pero inaalay pa rin namin yung everyday trainings namin kay Lord kasi binigay niya yun sa amin to share and to inspire others.
but then I think the superheroes for our team are definitely the coaches. Because you can see when the coaches are having a hard time with us, when there's creative burnout, or when they don't know where to turn because we can't deliver the vision that they're trying to put together. But even when those things happen, they don't give up on us. Even if they want to walk out, they don't walk out on us because they know that we need them.